Man, it is a beautiful day out today. It's actually quite warm. So I'm gonna level out this ground over here. I'm gonna install this planter. See how it looks. I just want to make sure that I pack underneath every board just to make it a rigid, solid foundation. Underneath here, I mean, it'll be dirt, but I don't want it to have any air gaps. All right. Looks good to me. I only have one more bag of worm castings, so I need to go get more of that. So I'll do some worm castings now. I'm gonna throw some rock dust on there. And then some mycorrhiza fungi. This is going to be a very nutritious mix. It's nice to just get in there and work in with your hands. Now we're going to separate the blueberries from everything else, because they need very specific soil. So we'll find a place to do that here. All right, man, it is hot out here today. Well, not really, but it's beautiful. I'm just sweating. But yeah, I got this first bed filled. I'm gonna need a lot more soil to do that. And I need to get a lot more wood chips now too to put on top of this. So I'm gonna finish topping. I'm just gonna put what I have in here and calculate how much more I need and then go get it. So Mike and I got some blueberries from the urbanfarm.org pop-up nursery, Greg Peterson's pop-up nursery. Well, we got 3 blueberry bushes, we got a goji berry, we got some strawberry bare root, some asparagus bare root, and we have a few other seeds that I'm gonna throw in, like some onions and some radishes and maybe some spinach. And I think up here we can even grow some vines. So grow some vines up in here. So we're gonna start, but this will be nice, deep, rich organic soil. I need to get more worm castings. Definitely put another layer down here and put quite a few bags up in here. So we're gonna supercharge this soil, and nothing is gonna be able to stop the growth of these plants. Well, we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna calculate what I need. I'm gonna be back with more supplies, and we're gonna finish planting these things.